Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Wakefield Buick GMC in Wakefield, Massachusetts, we have the 2024 GMC Acadia Denali, completely redesigned for the 2024 model year, featuring a 2.5 liter turbo 4, 328 horsepower, 326 pound-feet of torque, routed through a 8-speed torque converter automatic. Gorgeous combination, white on white, real Wolf of Wall Street Countach spec on this Acadia. White frost over leather sheer. For those of you ASMR, that's not very ASMR-ish. Let's see here, Super Cruise package, Denali Reserve package, white frost tri-coat, floor liner, as tested, 66085. Bose Performance Series audio. Just look at this interior and how gorgeous this is. I do love the quad exhaust. That just sets this thing apart from the competition. It just makes it look really good. I will say, if you've driven a brand new GMC recently, they smell like pretzels. You know, obviously in shipping they have a coating on the exhaust that burns off for the first 100 miles or so. It smells like pretzels. And once you smell it in person, you're gonna know exactly what I'm talking about. Let's take a quick look at that 2.5. I said in the AT4 video, I do not know where the 2.5 came from. It's one of those, it's not the 2.7 that's in the Silverado, it's not the 2 liter that was in the previous gen. So somebody in the comments will know where that 2.5 came from, because I don't. Really? We're gonna play this game? Obviously, new touchscreen, wireless charger. I'm gonna let my phone charge a little bit as it's running low on battery. All your climate control is right here. That's pretty cool, I like that. Home, bunch of different settings, your ambient lighting colors. Virtual rear view mirror, panoramic sunroof. Hey, glasses. Actually has a picture of glasses on it. All right. Gear shift, little awkward at first. Pull towards you for neutral, up for reverse, down for drive. As I said in the review of the AT4, it's one of those, I'm a huge fan of the 3.6, so I was kind of about the 2.5. It fits the car so much better. There's so much more torque down low. And yes, I miss the sound of the 3.6, but that's really the only thing I miss about it. Other than that, it's just better. Do have Super Cruise to turn on cruise, and then doing something wrong, but whatever. In terms of handling dynamics, I'll be honest, driving around this area, it's very tough to get a good feel for it. Feels pretty good. It's definitely stable, confidence inspiring. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.